In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Automation Catalog in Airtable. To get started, open your Airtable workspace and look toward the top area where you can access your tools and settings. From there, click on Automation. This is the section where Airtable lets you build processes that can handle repetitive tasks for you automatically. If you're new to automations, don't worry. The Automation Catalog is designed to make setup much easier by giving you ready-made templates and guided options. Once you're inside the automation area, click on Create New. This opens the starting point for building a new automation. At this stage, Airtable gives you a few ways to begin, but for this tutorial, we're focusing on the catalog option because it's one of the fastest and most beginner-friendly methods. It's especially helpful if you want to save time and avoid building everything from scratch. Next, click on Browse Catalog. This will take you into Airtable's collection of pre-built automation ideas and templates. The catalog is useful because it organizes common workflows into easy-to-understand choices. Depending on what you need, you may see automations for notifications, record updates, approvals, task management, or integrations with other tools. Take a moment here to look through the available options so you can choose one that best matches your goal. When you find the automation you want, select it. This step tells Airtable which workflow you want to use as your starting point. Choosing from the catalog can make the process much smoother because the structure is already laid out for you. In many cases, the trigger and action are already suggested, so you just need to customize the details to fit your base. After selecting the automation, follow the on-screen prompts. Airtable will guide you through the setup, and this part is important because each automation may ask for slightly different information. You might need to choose a table, define a trigger, connect an action, or confirm certain settings before the automation is ready. Read each prompt carefully and make sure the selections match the workflow you want to create. As you go through the setup, it's a good idea to double-check each field before moving forward. That can help prevent errors later and make sure your automation works the way you expect. Once you finish the prompts, your automation should be ready for testing or activation, depending on the template you chose. And that's how to use Automation Catalog in Airtable. If you follow these steps carefully, you can quickly create helpful automations without starting from zero.